Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is my hobby, gardening. So let's get started. My hobby is gardening. I have made a beautiful garden in front of my house. There are many beautiful flowers like roses, lilies, etc. I have arranged the plants one after another. My grandmother taught me how to work in the garden. I watered the plants and softened the ground near their roots. I apply manure and pesticides when required. I do gardening for an hour daily. It gives me a great pleasure. My home garden with fragrant flowers makes the surroundings happy. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and keep smiling.